Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: battery above 50% and a stable internet connection on your phone or computer. Open the official Ellipal app now, navigate to the firmware or device update area, and prepare a formatted micro SD card, FAT32. Once done, download the listed firmware package in the app and save the update file to the card using the card reader. Make sure the file name and size match the app's confirmation before you remove the card. This prevents corrupted updates later. You now insert the micro SD card into the Ellipse Titan while the unit is still powered off, then power it on to trigger the update routine. Once powered, the device will detect the update file and prompt you to verify the firmware. Follow the on-screen confirmations carefully. The Titan performs a checksum or signature check. Let it finish fully. If the device asks for additional confirmations, tap or enter them exactly as displayed. Do not remove the card. Disconnect power, or close the app until verification completes. You finish by allowing the Titan to install the update and reboot. After restart, check settings to confirm the new firmware version. If the update does not complete or the device reports an error, power off, reformat the micro SD card as FAT32, re-download the firmware in the official app, and retry the process. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, try a different card reader and ensure the file integrity matches the app's checksum. Never share your seed phrase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.